Everyone. So this is session number 18 of the Food Safety and Quality Assurance. The topic which we'll be covering today is intellectual property rights. So we'll see of the overview of the intellectual property. The intellectual property, also called as IP chain, is it involves creation, innovation, commercialization, protection, and enforcement. Intellectual property has a copyright, industrial property, and what is included into it is trademarks, patents, industrial design, confidential information, and geographical indications. IP is an intangible property. Tangible properties are land, house, estates, car. Intangible properties are intellectual property. Intangible wealth easily appropriated and reproduced. One created, the marginal cost of reproduction is negligible. The role of IP as an intangible property is economic rights of creators, commercial exploitation of owner of IP, capital expenditure, transfer of technology, and cultural development. Um, why the intellectual property protection is given? The capital expenditure for new products, the R&D, the marketing and advertisement, no freeloaders, the maintaining loyal followers and profit. IP as a property can be sold, can be bought, can be leased or rent, can pass under a will, and can be assigned. The legal framework for IP. The three machinery of administration, that is the IP office, the external machinery, and the court. The International Convention for IPR, Paris Convention for Protection of Industrial Property, Berne Convention for the Protection of Literary and Artistic Works, WCT and PCT. The Paris Convention included the protection of industrial property, the trademark, the patent, the unfair competition, and governed by domestic legislation. The Patent Cooperation Treaty makes it easier to make the patent application, design country, and international fees to national fees. The basic principle of international convention is laying down the minimum requirement for the national legislation, and members may but shall not be obliged to implement more extensive protection in their laws than is required by the agreement. The principle of national treatment is each member shall accord to the nationals of other members treatment no less favorable than it is accorded to their own national level. The obligations of convention are state to state, not open to individual. Example: India versus US. The laws for intellectual property protection are Copyright Act, Trademark Act, Patent Act, Industrial Design Act, Geographical Indication Act, Law of Tort, Passing of and Confidential Information. The protection of copyright. The protection given by law for a term of years for a composer author to make the copies of the work. The work includes literally artistic, musical, film, sound recording, broadcasting, commercial and moral rights, and no registration provision. The commercial exploitation of a product. To identify the product, giving it a name. Mark includes a device, a brand, heading, label, ticket, name, signature, word, letter, numeral, or any combination. Does not include sound or smell. Trademark can be either registered or not registered. Advantages of registered trademarks. Applications can be made for goods and services, perform certain functions such as indication of quality, identifying a trade connection. By choosing the correct mark, compares the trademark Dove to be used to mark crows. Would the Frog restaurant be acceptable? Would Marks and Weekend Sex be acceptable? Protection of a patent. The basic idea of granting a patent, the applicant applied to the government for the right of patent, and in return for the monopoly given, he must disclose everything about the invention in the patent document. The duration of the patent is 20 years. The patent for invention can be applied for the product or a process. The patentable invention must be new, involves an inventive step, and industrially applicable. Priority date is first to file. The role of a patent is innovation, anticipating the changes that is coming, that is Kodak Polaroid hair. The various routes of applications are the national route, the Paris route, the PCT route. That's all for this session. Thank you.